Surefire M3LT. And Crelant XT30. To the top of the building, 8 years. Let's zoom up a bit. Crelant XT30. Surefire M3LT. What do you think? Beam pattern is very different each other, but the hotspot brightness right side Crelant is brighter. So let's keep only Crelant, and let's go to Olight M3X Triton. Let's zoom up a bit. Crelant XT30. Olight Triton. Light is much brighter, for sure. Let's compare the beam pattern. Olight right side does not have a dark hole in the hotspot and brighter. This one, right, is a better light, so I keep this light on. And the last one, Crelant 7G5CS, neutral white. Tint is different. I hope you can see the tint difference. Lower side, Crelant neutral white. And brightness, let's zoom up a bit. Clearly, Olight is brighter. So, let's line up the 4 lights. The left, Surefire, Crelant, and this one, Olight, and Crelant. Okay, I hope you had a better idea. And let's go to the field with this Olight, the brightest one. Okay. Interesting. They don't get away. 100 yards. Closer. 80 or such. Very close. Like this. Interesting. Okay. This is Olight M3X Triton. Hello, flashlight people. This system worked a bit but not so much as expected. Anyway, I'm happy that it worked a bit. This Olight M3X Triton light, powered by Crelant XML2, pretty large reflector, was the brightest actually, and the lightest. Olight is the lightest and the lightest, you know, brightest and light in weight. Very impressive light. This texture is pretty nice, grippy, very comfortable light. This is the lightest 3-cell powered lens light by Surefire. Expensive light, but I don't think it is the brightest. 800 lumens, 1000 lumens, awesome one. Oh, this ring I put for this lanyard. This EagleTac lanyard, which comes with all the EagleTac lights, is very handy for this kind of large lights or light. This is Crelant 7G5CS. In this size, neutral white is available only on this company, Crelant, I think. So I got it, but not so impressively bright. It says Crelant XML U3 930 lumens, but this is XML T6 neutral white, so maybe 850 or such. Similar to this one. 820 maybe close. X30 820 lumens Crelant XML U2. Nearly the same weight. Similar, same. Much larger, bulky. Generally speaking, it is a better light, but I personally like neutral white, so not a wrong light. I will have a turbo head, super turbo head, lens head option from Hong Kong. Not yet reached. So, for now, not so impressive. This light is the most impressive one. So, very pricey. I don't think it's worth buying. This is the best light so far, in my opinion. In this category, you know, cylinder, handle, turbo head, easy to handle. It's a nice light. Okay, thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.